The government says it regrets the GSD's continued attempt to frame a standard procedure on payment of legal fees as a personal matter relating to the Chief Minister, which it says it's not. The decision on funding has been made by the Cabinet, which it stressed again is based on the direct application of the Crown's indemnity and relevant codes and guidelines, which ensures that public officials are protected from personal liability and legal costs arising from the discharge of their official functions. It therefore rejects the GSD's criticism that Mr Picardo's potential challenge to the findings of the inquiry report is a private crusade. Fabian Picardo says the opposition leader's suggestion would set a dangerous precedent and says he fails to consider its long-term consequences. He adds it's the same position in the UK and calls Keith Azzopardi's attempt to treat the Chief Minister differently from any other public servant a transparent political tactic. However, the opposition leader says it should be obvious that acting in a grossly improper way to attempt to interfere in a criminal investigation would never be within a Chief Minister's duty. On that basis, Mr Azzopardi says it's difficult to see how the government can justifiably endorse the spending of public money. He adds that it's striking that this is apparently a cabinet decision, which he says shows the entire group of ministers backing the payment of Mr Picardo's legal fees to challenge findings that he attempted to interfere in a criminal investigation and acted well outside the role and duties of Chief Minister.